Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 2. Somebody sent me this and it really sparked my interest. And if you didn't watch Part 1 is where we did this right here. But then I did it not as complex, not as many strokes, and it was really tedious. But I came up with this. Now, my lines, there's more lines, but I think I've duplicated it pretty good. Hers, the one, she drew this by hand. Hers just looked like you can see the slope a little more. That might be, and I might try it later with less lines. But I thought it would be really difficult to do that. But then after just playing around with it, she gave me great instructions. So one thing she said, she created this and spun one clockwise and then the other one counterclockwise. Well, I don't want to redo it. So why don't we just Control D to duplicate and then get this right here and mirror it and see what we got. We have the opposite. So now what we can do is take this and move your center rotation to there. And you could probably do this mathematically, but I'm just going to do it manually. Well, I know you could do it mathematically, but we're going to go 360 and look at that. Now, Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and mirror that. Now this time we're going to move the center rotation to here. And, you know, if you get it close, it's going to be 240, so just type in 240 and it'll be exact. Now the other one might not work as well, but we're going to Control D to duplicate that and move the center rotation to the center of the object. I'm going to make sure it's there. And it is. And we're going to rotate that back to 0, basically. And look at that. Nope. See, that's what I was saying. Yep. That's right, because you got 3 points and 3 rounds. The reason it looks a little different is I rotate it now 30 degrees. And that has a lot to do with the, I think I've got way more lines than she does. And let's make that black and then go in and make the outline white. Well, I guess I got to go run a page. That's pretty close. I really think it might look better with less lines, but it's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.